wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! Yay! Dream again. Dream again. Hi! Wow! Did you guys notice that I'm very excited? Do you want to know why I'm excited? This is Belle. Yep, that's why I'm so excited, because today I'm playing with Belle, and I know you think that's Ken, but it's not. No, it's actually the Beast. Whoa. Yeah, so today I'm playing Beauty and the Beast, and I am actually both the Beauty, da-da-da-da, and the Beast. Roar. Okay. Are you ready to play, Belle? Yes, I am ready to play. Okay, let's play, Belle. Okay. Hi, Beast. How are you today? I was reading the best book. It was about a fairy princess and a duck. Yeah. Isn't that great?
That is not great. But, yeah, it's okay. Roar!
And Belle is kind of afraid. What? Beast? Why are you so mean? I don't like when beasts are mean. You're scary. And she throws him aside and she runs. And then she gets to the forest. She gets to the forest and she sees a wolf. Oh no, there's a wolf. What am I gonna do? And the wolf comes after her and she's so scared. Wolf! But she's a big, strong woman. And so she grabs a stick and she's beating up the wolf. Arr! Don't eat me, wolf. You can't eat me. I'm too strong. I will jump on my horse and ride away. Gallop. But the wolves come after her. The wolves are coming and they're gonna get her. And then the Beast comes and he says, roar! Not on my watch, wolfies! And then the wolves go, hi, Beast. We are wolves. We are also beasts. And wait, you were gonna eat Belle. That's not nice. Don't eat Belle. I will beat you up if you don't run away. So you better run away. And all the wolves run away because the Beast is bigger and stronger than them. Oh, but the Beast faints. He's so tired. Oh no. And Belle sees how he came and he helped her, even though he didn't have to help her. And so then she takes him back and she lays him down. She says, Beast, you were very, very helpful to me, but you were mean. You should not be mean to me all the time. I'm a very nice person and I like to read books and dance at balls. And the Beast says, I'm sorry, Belle. I did not mean to be, well, a beast. I'm very sorry. I will have a ball for you since I was so mean. And so then they have a ball and they dance. And there's a candlestick that comes out and, oh no, there's another adventure. Chip, the cup, runs into the room and Chip says, Belle, Beast, there's an awful person knocking on the door and they've got fire and sticks. And the Beast says, no, Belle, you go hide. I will take care of it. But Belle says, no, I got this one, Beastie. And she runs down to the door because Belle's a strong, crazy princess. So she runs to the door and then the person comes in with a fire on a stick and Belle's like, yeah. And she does some martial arts. She's like, pew, 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 pew. Roar. And then all the people that are there with fire they're scared. And that's what they thought. They thought Beast was like a monster, so they're very scared. But then Belle, she runs up on the top of the stairs and she screams out, stop! Wait! Everybody put down your sticks of fire! he's very mean, but he saved me from the wolves when the wolves came after me. And he even talked to the wolves and told the wolves to be nice, and they were listening. And so then the people, they aren't happy though. So they pick back up their fire sticks and they're like, no, we're going to kill you anyways. We're going to get you. And then they're fighting again. But then all of a sudden, Belle hits one in the head with the candlestick. She hits one in the head with the candlestick, and then so Belle runs to the top of the stairs and she screams, "Stop! Stop! No! Do not hurt the Beast. The Beast is really, really nice. The Beast helped me when I was in the forest, and he stopped the wolves from attacking me, and he even just talked to them and said, 'Hey, wolfies, you should leave.' He didn't even have to fight them because he's so smart and nice." And in that moment she realizes, oh no, I may like the Beast, but I will not deal with that right now because there's a lot of angry people here. So then the people come running, and they're running up the stairs, and they're like, "We don't care that he's nice. We don't believe you." Roar, roar, roar. And they're waving their sticks of fire, and fire's so dangerous. And Belle she picks up the candlestick and she goes, "Pow!" And a bad guy falls down, and the bad guy's like unconscious. Belle's like, "You were bad, and you came into our house, and you can't break into other people's houses because that's not nice. And don't bring fire sticks because fire sticks are dangerous, and I don't like them." Pooh, 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 pooh. And she kicks him out of the house. And then all the other people, they leave because they realize that Belle was right. Partially because she's stronger, and that makes them nervous, but also because she's real smart. They come together, and Beast says, "Wow, Belle, you were so good out there. You were smart and strong, and I don't know how you scared away all those people." And Belle says, "I scared away all those people because I realized that you're pretty awesome, and I thought you were scary and mean, but you're nice. But you should stop growling all the time, because when you growl, it's scary. People don't like big monsters that growl at them. That's just, I mean, come on, you were a person once, right? It's not nice." And then the Beast is like, I was a person. And then, boo! Fairy dust, and there's a fairy godmother, and I'm the fairy godmother. And the fairy godmother goes, "Ooh, Beast, after so much time you have learned that people are more important, and you can't be mad and angry all the time. You have to be a nice person and a nice beast, and you can't be an evil monster." And then the Beast flies up in the air, and there's fairy dust, and he's like, "Whoo, shh, 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 fairy dust." And then he comes down and he lays on the ground, and Belle looks at the Beast. And she is so surprised, and she looks at the fairy, and she says, "Oh, thank you, fairy. I did not know that Beast was a regular person. That is so lovely, because I really like him, and I think that we would like to go on a journey in the forest on our horses. And I hope that the wolves still remember him, because now he's not a beast, so he won't probably be able to scare them away." And they do. They go on a journey through the forest, and then they have a really, really great time, and they're like, do. And she reads him a lot of books, and they have so much fun. Yeah, I really like Belle. Do you kids like Belle? Have you guys seen that movie or read that book? Or yeah, she's really neat. She's like, la 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 la. She can kind of do pretty much everything. She makes machines, and she tells stories, and she reads a lot, and she dances, and she sings. Yeah, I wouldn't mind being like Belle. Maybe I'll go by the word Belle today. So I'll, instead of saying like, "Hi kids, my name's Olivia," I'll say, "Hi kids, my name is Belle." And then there'll be bell sounds. "My name is Belle." Ding, 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 ding. Would you like that? I would like that. That'd be really fun. And maybe I'll call you Olivia. I would like to be called Olivia. I am Olivia. Hi, Belle. It is nice to meet you. Hi, Belle. Oh, Olivia, Belle. That's fun. Well, I think Olivia and I are going to go play, right? That's right, Belle. We should go play. So, you kids have fun. I hope you guys are all going to enjoy your day. And you're going to play a lot, too. And I hope that you had fun at Belle Corner. Yeah. Yeah. It was a really good time for me, too. Okay. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming and watching Dream Again. Thank you. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.